When working with the iPod, there are some basic features of the iPod that I want to review with you. Up at the top is the on-off switch. When you're turning the iTouch on or off, you have to press and hold the button. So I'm going to do that now. Press and hold until the apple comes on, and then you know your iTouch is operating. It is starting up. When you are turning it off, you have to press and hold the button again in order for it to turn off. What you'll see right here is a slide to power off or shut down. You have to get that next step in order to shut it down. If you just push the button and it goes black, it is only asleep. It is not powered off. So touching the square down at the bottom is the home button, will make it appear again. You have slides. This is a touch screen. To unlock the window, you slide to unlock it. This is the main screen, and it has application icons, so you can tell that you have an app store, Safari, which is the internet. Whoops, I accidentally selected that. There's a calendar, email, etc. Now, really, the only ones we are going to be working with school support is making sure that the settings are set correctly, the internet, which will be Safari, and our iWalkthrough, which there are two icons on this particular iTouch, which is not necessary. So I'm going to go ahead and show you other features. On the side of the iTouch is the volume button. To increase the volume, press the up button, and to decrease, press the down. Again, this is the home button. You can use it to make the icons appear again or to back up. It's like your back button. On the bottom of the iTouch is the docking or the charging connector right here. Be careful when inserting the connecting cord. You want to make sure it's level and you push it in until it snaps. This is a headset jack, and that's about it for the features of the iTouch itself. Now remember that it is touch screen. What we are going to do right now is make sure that our date and time is set correctly. That's important for accurate operations. So I'm going to touch settings, and you need to use the palm of your, or the tip of your finger. It operates off the heat sensory, and you can tell right now that the Wi-Fi is not connected. So I am going to press that, and right away it brings up OPI's guest website. I'm going to go ahead and press guest. Of course, you will be choosing the selection that is appropriate for your school. Then I'm going to go back to settings, and I'm going to make sure my date and time are set correctly. So I'm going to press general. How you scroll with an iTouch is just to touch it and scroll up or down. Okay, I'm going to scroll up until I see date and time. I'm going to press it. It says time zone is Denver, which is exactly what I need. And to set the date and time is here. I'm on Wednesday, September 7th, 2011, which is what I need, at 9:12 a.m. Now, in order to change it, if it's wrong, say the time is wrong, it is just a spin wheel. So I would go to 9:12, say it's p.m., a.m. It's just a spin wheel. And the same with the date. It's just a spin wheel to select the correct date. When you are finished selecting it, push the date and time back button, and you should be ready to go. Okay? So we are hopefully connected to the internet and ready to go. Let's check and make sure we're connected to the internet. I'll go to Safari, and it's asking for some state information to connect to our website, so I am just going to buzz through this real quick. Again, you will have to get the information that is appropriate for your school. So those are the basics of the iTouch. Please review if you have any further questions or contact me. Thank you.